Welcome back to another episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Hi, I'm Dr. Fisher, the Superintendent of Schools for the Roselle Public School District. We have welcomed in the final stretch of the school year, and we continue to remain super focused on maintaining quality and equitable learning opportunities for all of our scholars as we prepare them for college, careers, and life. In this episode, I would like to highlight the hard work of our teachers and staff engaging throughout this school year. As we celebrate Teacher Appreciation every month, I would like to say Happy Teacher Appreciation Day is every day. Additionally, in May, we celebrate Principal and Vice Principal Appreciation Day. Together, they make up the team with the boots on the ground supporting teaching and learning opportunities to meet the needs of every scholar across the district. For that, we say thank you, thank you, thank you. While the school year may seem to be coming to a close with less than 50 days of school remaining, we are gearing up for a very robust summer program. Every department has created very unique learning experience for scholars across all grades, including the Superintendent's Fast Forward program with Math and ELA academic acceleration classes, STEM, ELA, and G&T enrichment, ESL classes, grades K to 12, esports, drones, student tech repair academies for grades 5 to 12, our extended school year program, Math and ELA and related services. We are also extending the learning experiences with our 21st Century program from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. There you have it. We are in full steam ahead. So be on the lookout for registration information and registration via the Genesis Parent Portal. Additionally, visit the in-person registration night on May the 17th at ACHS. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, highlighting some of the various programs happening this summer. Until next episode, remember, we do this because all students matter, and our focus remains on every student, every day.